For coming up with ideas and designs for your channel's banner and logo, we are going to use this AI called Leonardo AI. There are many AIs that can help you with this, like Midjourney, but Midjourney will only let you generate 20 images for free. With Leonardo, you get 150 coins every day that can generate 30 images per day or more, depending on the setting you're using. To use Leonardo AI, you go to their website and follow the steps so they can grant you access to the platform. Now that we are in, what we are going to do is scroll down until we find a picture that resonates with the idea you have in mind for the logo. Here you see Leonardo can make very detailed images. We keep going down. Maybe we can use this kind of chibi wolf, maybe not. Let's keep scrolling down. This cat right here looks like a solid base design for our logo. So what we are going to do is open up the image. Here you can see the settings and the prompt that were used to generate this image. This is what we are looking for. We double check the model used for generating this image. This cat was generated using the Leonardo diffusion model, and we copy the prompt. Now we close this window and go to AI image generation. In this window is where you can generate your own images. We now change the model to Leonardo diffusion and paste the prompt. On the prompt, we need to change the main subject of the image. So here it is, kittens playing with TNT wearing headphones. This is what we are going to change from the prompt to come up with our own personal logo. We change the kittens for toolbox and click on generate. Now we wait for Leonardo to come up with our images. And here you go. You have 4 different images to choose from. Remember, this is just me giving you the tools so you can come up with your own logo design. You can keep retrying and changing the prompt until Leonardo gives you something you like. To save the image, you click on it and click here on Download Image, and that's it. Like I said, you can keep trying and changing things until you get something you like better. You can also try the image-to-image feature down here, with which you can use an image you like as the base for Leonardo to modify it and give you something similar. And that's it for speedy logo generation with Leonardo AI. Now, let's focus on getting a design for the banner. Using some sort of background with some text on it will do the trick. For the banner background, we are going to keep using Leonardo AI. We are going to scroll down until we find a pattern that we like so we can use the prompt and settings to create our banner background. Pretty similar to what we did with our logo. Here we can see some flowers pattern, a pattern of oranges, and a pattern of planets and space-related things. The last one has the closest color palette to our logo, so we are going to use this one with the idea to make this process as fast as possible. So we click on it and we can use the remix button to use the complete set of settings including the model. And here we change the subject on the prompt for one that fits our purpose. We delete planet and stars and write circuits and change cosmic for tech, which is more related to our channel's niche. Now we click on generate and wait for Leonardo to create the images. There we go, we got some pretty interesting results for our banner's background. This one looks like a good option. We could easily insert a slogan there and it will be easy to read. We click on download image here and that's it. You can import the image to another software like Photoshop or Canva and edit it the way you like. Now, if you prefer something with dimensions closer to a banner, a rectangular image, you can click here on 1024 by 768. The problem with this is this model was optimized to work with a resolution of 1024 by 1024. That's why the yellow warning sign over there is showing, but you can try and see what happens. So we click on generate and wait again for the images to show. Here they are. Even though these images aren't that bad, the ones from before look more appealing. So there you have it. This completes the class on how to create logos and banners in just a couple of minutes with a fully capable free AI.